Need to open the Windows 10 recovery environment first? Here's the quickest way using just a command prompt. Hi everyone and welcome back to the CNATT channel. To access the Windows recovery environment via the command prompt, follow these steps. Make sure to save any open documents first. Click the Start button, type cmd and run it. In the command prompt, type the following command and press enter. Shutdown space /r space /o. In less than a minute, your PC will restart directly into the Windows recovery environment. This method usually works even when other options are unavailable. This is the fastest command prompt method, but there are other ways too. Click or tap the video on the end screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.